Today's Bible verse comes from Psalm chapter 121, verse 5, King James Version. The Lord is thy keeper. The Lord is thy shade upon thy right hand. In short, this verse means that God is a constant, ever-present, and personal protector for His people, offering defense and refuge in all circumstances of life. Here's a brief explanation of its key elements. Number 1. The Lord is your keeper. The Hebrew word for keeper, shamar, means to watch over, guard, or protect. This emphasizes God's active and diligent care, unlike human guards who might get tired. God is always vigilant and attentive to the needs of those who trust in Him. As mentioned in the preceding verses, He will neither slumber nor sleep. Number 2. The Lord is your shade. In the context of ancient travel, Psalm 121 is a song of ascents sung by pilgrims traveling to Jerusalem. This imagery highlights God's protective presence, shielding believers from the harsh, scorching heat of the sun or the moonstroke, believed to cause harm at night. This metaphor extends to protection from all of life's difficulties and dangers, whether physical or spiritual. Number 3. Upon your right hand. In biblical times, the right hand was associated with strength and action. To have God at your right hand signifies His proximity and readiness to assist, support, and defend you in your daily life and work. Overall, Psalm 121:5 provides a powerful assurance that believers are never alone and can find comfort and security in God's unwavering and comprehensive watchfulness over their entire lives. Amen.